In this video, I'll show you how to download and set up the Cinema app on your Firestick TV so you can stream movies and shows conveniently from your device. We'll go step by step, making sure everything is set up properly. And I'll also show you how to keep your streaming secure with NordVPN. Before we start, don't forget to use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and follow along for a safe streaming experience. First, from your Firestick home screen, go to Settings, scroll down and select My Fire TV. Here, we'll need to enable Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options in the list, don't worry, it might be hidden. To make it appear, go to About, select your Fire TV device name, and then press the middle button on your remote 7 times quickly. You'll see a message confirming that you are now a developer. Once developer options are visible, open them. Inside Developer Options, look for Install Unknown Apps. From this list, find Downloader and make sure it is turned on. This step is important because it allows your Firestick to install apps that aren't available in the official Amazon App Store. Now press the Home button on your remote. Go to the Find section and open Search. Type in Downloader, select it from the results, and click Get or Download to install the app. Wait for the download to finish. Once it's installed, open Downloader, and if prompted, select Allow to give the app the necessary permissions. In the Downloader app, you'll see a URL field. Here, type in the Cinema HD downloader code, 817,643. Press Go, and the page will load. You'll see a list of available Cinema HD versions. Choose the version you want, and wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, select Install. After the installation is complete, choose Done, and then click Delete to remove the installation file. This helps free up space on your Firestick, which is always a good idea since storage can be limited. Before opening the Cinema app, it's a good idea to connect to a VPN. In this case, NordVPN is a great option. NordVPN is fast, reliable, and works perfectly on Firestick, Android TV, phones, or laptops. It encrypts all your internet traffic, so nobody can track your online activity, and it even has threat protection and a kill switch to keep your data safe. Connecting to a VPN also ensures that your streaming experience stays smooth and secure. You can find the link to NordVPN in the description to quickly get started. Now that your VPN is connected, go back to Downloader. Finish installing Cinema HD if you haven't already, and then open the app. Give it a few seconds to load. Once open, you can browse movies and TV shows, or use the search feature to find exactly what you want. The app is organized into categories, making it easy to find the latest releases or popular content. If you want to make accessing the app easier, press and hold the Home button on your remote to add Cinema HD to your home screen. For quick access. This way, you don't have to go hunting for it in your apps every time you want to watch something. With NordVPN running in the background, your connection remains private and secure. You don't have to worry about your streaming activity being tracked or interrupted, and you can enjoy all the content in Cinema HD safely. And that's it. You now have Cinema HD installed on your Firestick, ready to use anytime, with your online security fully protected by NordVPN.